A lot of our homes now include pocket doors as ways to get in and out of bedrooms, closets, and even bathrooms. And they're very, very handy to have. They're kind of a nice tucked out of the way door to have. A couple of things to keep in mind with them though are that it's to open the door, you push on this little knob, and that's how you can reach in and grab the door. You don't have to try and pull from the top or the bottom. You can easily get it there. The other thing to remember with these pocket doors is oftentimes if it's in a bathroom, it'll have a locking mechanism here. So how this works is just a little tab on the side hooks into the jamb. Now the challenge with that is this is not a very big handle. It can be a little bit hard to operate, especially if you have to push a little bit harder. I've had a couple of customers kind of locked in their bathroom just because they weren't quite getting it right. So I usually recommend, for an ensuite or a bathroom that's not used by the general public in the home, have a knock if it's closed policy as opposed to trying to lock it each time.